Good morning, JR with OMG Carpet Cleaning in Swanee, Georgia today. This is a new customer, found us on the internet. As soon as I walked in, they gave me the disclaimer they don't expect everything to come out because they know that it's old carpet. But as with most of our customers, we hope to give them a pleasant surprise. As you can see, there's a lot of spots here on the carpet. Apparently they have cats that have apparently done these. And we got a set of stairs with a runner here. Then we got 3 bedrooms up and this hallway. Like I said, these darker color spots are probably from something soapy on the carpet. This is the worst room, the worst bedroom up here. So hopefully, like I said, we can get out most of what they called stains. We don't call them stains, we call them spots because stains kind of an indicator it's not coming out. Okay guys, we just finished up this $240 job. Didn't come out perfect. We teach you how to handle that with the customer before you start. The customer was ecstatic with how the carpet came out, which is obviously always the goal when you're dealing with carpet or any service. For when you have customers, that's always the deal, is making sure your customers are happy. So that's obviously our only goal, is to make sure we have happy customers. So if you're in the business, or if you're considering the business, if you don't already know, you'll have to learn that every job is not going to come out perfect, and they don't. It's entirely too many variables that affect the carpet. Important thing is knowing how to handle them. So, like I said, customer was very happy with how the work came out, which is important, so that's what we care about. This is JR with OMG Carpet Cleaning, omgfloorcare.com. We do put people in the carpet cleaning business. 404-500-9853. We can teach you how to get these kind of jobs and how to handle these kinds of situations.